Dear students, today we are going to learn problem on parallel circuit. A choke coil has a resistance of 2 ohm and an inductance of 0.035 Henry is connected in parallel with 350 microfarad capacitor which is in series with resistance of 20 ohm. When a combination is connected across 200 volt 50 Hz supply, calculate current taken and power factor of whole circuit. Now, from given data, 2 ohm R1, L is 0.035 and C is 350 microfarad. We have to use formula to find out XL is equal to 2 pi FL. This L is useful. Then XC, capacitive reactance, 1 upon 2 pi FC. C is here given. In same way, R220 voltage is 200 volts and frequency 50 Hz. Total current taken we have to find and power factor of the whole circuit. How to draw circuit diagram? R1 and L both are in series and this combination is in parallel with the series combination R220 and C350 microfarad. Above circuit is inductive and below circuit is capacitive. Both are in parallel connected to 200 volt 50 Hz supply. Now to calculate second step current and power factor, we have to note down Z1 is equal to R1 plus JXL, Z2 R2 is equal to JXC, then XL is equal to 2 pi FL. After calculation you will get 11 ohm. You can calculate. Z1 is in polar form, 11.18 at an angle 79.89. You can calculate using engineering calculator. Then XC is equal to 1 upon 2 pi FC. C is given 350 into 10 raised to minus 6 microfarad. Microfarad, therefore here 10 raised to minus 6. It is coming 9.09. You can write Z2 in the polar form. Angle is minus 24.44. Then both are parallel. Therefore Z1 into Z2 upon Z1 plus Z2. Above is in polar form. And below is in rectangular form. 2 plus 20 is equal to 22 and 11 minus 9.09 is 1 plus J 1.91. You can calculate this. You can convert 22 plus J 1.91 into polar form. Take division of both, you will get equivalent impedance 11.11 at an angle 50.49. Total current according to Ohm's law, V upon Z. 200 is a voltage at an angle 0 degree divided by 11.11 at an angle 50.49. Then this answer 18 at an angle minus 50.49. So this is the negative angle, therefore whole circuit is inductive. Power factor, take cos of 50.49 minus, so it is 0.63 lagging. So in this way we can calculate whole calculations. Thank you.